Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. That dude had an exhaust leak, and speaking of exhaust leaks, the Shelby GT350 also has a pretty major exhaust leak. The car sounds like a Subaru WRX, no joke. So when this cold start does happen, I understand it's disgusting. Gonna get this fixed up right now because tomorrow is the 4th of July and everybody is closed. And typically the day after shops open back up is when they're booked up. That's a Friday, and I don't want to wait to the end of the week to get this situated. So hopefully it's just a loose clamp or a quick welding job, because I do not want to have to replace the headers or get a new cat bed exhaust or an X pipe for this vehicle. So if you guys enjoy, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. This is about to be the nastiest cold start of all time, for real. Underneath the car, right behind the passenger seat. I think it's a loose clamp. Could be the clamp that connects the connection pipes, obviously catted connection pipes, to the X pipe. I think that's where the leak is. I don't know how this really happened, because I definitely don't go over no steep bumps. I think honestly just over time, you know what I'm saying, just over time. It's a clamp, a lot of vibrations with the Voodoo. These have been on the car for over a year now, so I guess it makes sense as to how, you know, it could slip off and cause an exhaust leak. So let's go over to the shop. We're gonna go to Ace Performance real quick. Same shop I took the 2024 Mustang GT to get the H pipe installed, the Steeda H pipe. We're gonna do hopefully re-welding of the connection pipe, or just the reconnection of the clamp. I hope it's nothing serious. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's literally open headers. I see where it's loose. Oh my God. All right, so I don't know if it picked up on camera, but I'm not gonna be going underneath the car exactly where it is. It's gonna be way too much heat. It's already hot enough as it is, but I can see from behind the car, the long tube headers, like the connection pipe, it's not even connected to the X pipe. So that's why it sounds like a truck. Now, I'm actually not really glad this happened, but I think if I literally was to do like dumps, obviously have it dumped from the X pipe, it might actually sound like this, which is terrible. So I'm so glad I now know I'm not doing this at all. This sounds bad. This thing sounds literally like a Subaru. I see, oh my God, I see what people say, do not header dump a GT350, man. Matter of fact, don't even do dumps. It sounds, man, oh my God, it sounds so bad. Oh my God. Everything's like Oh my goodness, this is disgusting. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the shop, man. This sounds bad. I'm gonna listen to some music so I don't have to hear this.
A few moments later.
All right, it's a little while later. We got it fixed up. It was a broken exhaust clamp as well as a hanger that caused that issue. I believe the hanger broke off, which caused the X-pipe to have a lot of unnecessary weight on it, which caused the clamp to break off, resulting in the car having a wicked exhaust leak, making it sound like a Subaru WRX. Now, unfortunately, I was unable to record in the shop space because obviously nobody's trying to get in trouble by no insurance guys, or if a cop saw like a regular customer in the shop space, it could be bad for everybody. So I completely understand that. I'm not going to argue with that whatsoever, but I was told that there is a lot of old oil, like kind of around like the header area. That's exactly where we had that issue back when the oil filter spun off when it wasn't properly torqued down. So I'm gonna get the undercarriage cleaned up. The shop said they cleaned it up best of their ability. Not Bombears, but a shop that I took it to a while ago. Damn, it probably was like, at this point, probably like 8 or 9 months ago. I want to say it might have been like 8 or 9 months ago. So we're gonna get that all fixed up, but no more Subaru WRX. Whew. I want to take this car to Bombears though, man. We gotta get that catch can on here, and I still gotta get that vacuum leak situated. It's like intermittent. Oh wait, you guys can see it right now. I mean, oh, it was. Or it gets to like 15 AFR, 15.5. I saw 15.9 on startup. That's that vacuum leak. So we're gonna get this situated ASAP. All right, let's head out of here. I like Ace's Performance, I ain't gonna lie, because every time I go there, like, I'm never waiting. You know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes when you go to shops, you're waiting like 20-30 minutes for service. Like, I literally pulled up, walked out, they took the car in, and they were done. Like, I didn't even have time to record them pulling it off the lift. Like, I was talking to the guy inside, and then all of a sudden, I see the car backing out. I'm like, wait, they're already done? So that's what's up, man. You gotta love shops like that where, you know, you call in, hey, can I bring the car in? Yep, bring it in right now. In and out, you know, in a reasonable amount of time, man. Like, that's what's up. That's what's up. And you know it's, you know, an honest testament, because I don't give no shout outs to shops unless I take, you know, my car there and get it back. Then I'll go ahead and make a comment about them. But yeah, that was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I was fast. Glad I did it today, because I don't think they're open tomorrow. I mean, maybe they are, I don't know, but I'm just assuming everybody's closed down tomorrow. And I don't want to wait till Friday, because like I said earlier in the vid, usually, like, if, you know, there's a holiday during the week, one day everything's closed, the next day they're open. Everybody and their mama is pulling up that next day, and I want this car for the weekend, because it's the first of the month, first weekend of the month, so there's car meets. Midnight Performance might do a meet, even though I don't think they are though, because it's 4th of July weekend, so that's probably a bad idea, really bad idea. I just thought about that right now. Let me actually stay my ass inside at night this weekend. Woo! Right here. Oh, that's a courthouse right there. I just realized that. honestly, this car isn't, it's not backfiring as much. How long have I had this? Hold on, y'all. To be like, wait, hold on. It's like, is that why this thing is backfiring so much? Nah, it's just because I'm 93. Oh, we're at half a tank of gas too. Oh well, we have to go ahead and get gas, but be back. It's not sounding like a WRX. Oh man, this thing really was like, it was really sounding like a Subaru for a minute. Man, dude. That just made me appreciate these downshifts even more. This car is ridiculously loud though. Front lift off right there. Airport parking. I would never park my car over here. Hell no, bro. All the bums that live out in this area, forget it. They need to have a camera at each and every parking spot. Like, trucks get next to me, bro. I just don't like that shit. Traffic out right now. Oh, that explains it. It's in the heat of rush hour, quite literally, figuratively, and literally. It's 99 degrees outside, really probably 100, and it's 4 o'clock. I'm gonna catch y'all when we kind of get out this mix right now, because it's literally bumper to bumper, wall to wall, all up and down the road. And we got trucks coming on the road too, so I'm gonna I'll catch y'all in a second. Oh, it'll be a little bit of a gap here. Why is this guy driving? Why is he driving under the speed limit? Hello?
One eternity later.
All right, it's the next day. Traffic was crazy last night, man, but it is the 4th of July, so hopefully you guys are gonna be enjoying your 4th of July. Stay safe out there. We all know how people get when, you know, they jump on the road 4th of July, drinking, driving, you know, nonsense like that. So be alert. And if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. We were kind of running, you know, open headers for a while, and honestly, it sounded terrible, but at the same time, I'm kind of glad I was able to experience what the open headers does sound like, because I actually kind of wanted to dump the car for, you know, weight reduction, but it just does not sound good. It ain't worth it, so I'm leaving it alone. I think a lot of people can agree that open headers on a GT350 N-O. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.